Hello, my name is Jordi Ballester. I am CEO at ForgeFlow, and today I would like to show you how to get started with our business game. The first thing you have to do is log into our website. So, accessing to ForgeFlow.com, you can then go to Education Business Games. You can walk through the content, and then at the end of the page, you can enter your data and submit your request. Once we receive your request, we will grant you access to several things. The first thing we will grant you access is to the Firakotra training course. So you will receive an email. You can set here or change your passwords. So I will click on the link, then I will sign up. The next thing we'll do is grant you access to the Firakotra course. When you check your email, you will have received an email like this. So by going to your portal, education, and then courses, you can check here, okay, that you can access to the training course. So you can walk through all the different chapters and review all the contents that will take you through from usability to checking how sales are managed, to inventory and manufacturing, purchasing, accounting. You will receive yet another mail telling you that we have now granted you access to the business game and indicating the link that you should follow to access the game.